$1,500. It's that perfect price point where you move past entry level and get into serious high performance territory without needing to sell a kidney. Our goal today, a rig that absolutely shreds games at 1440p high refresh rates. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 760X. For our processor, we're going with the AMD Ryzen 5 760X. This 6-core 12-thread CPU is an absolute gaming champion for its price, usually hovering around $210 to $230. It boosts nice and high chews through games, and importantly it sits on AMD's AM5 platform. GPU RX 7900 GRE. This card, often around $550 to $580, is an absolute monster for the money. It delivers killer performance at 1440p SMO. RAM, 32GB DDR5-6000 clock cycle, 30 EXP. For Ryzen 7000, fast RAM makes a difference. We're going with a 32GB kit, 2x16GB of DDR5 running at 6000 MHz, with a low CL30 latency. Motherboard, MSI B650, gaming plus Wi-Fi. We need a solid home for our CPU, and for that we're using an MSI B650, gaming plus Wi-Fi. This ATX board usually runs about $160. Storage, 2TB, NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, power supply, 750 watts, 80 plus gold fully modular. Cooler, Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 SE,